Hello my brothers, and today I will tell you how to film and edit like God. Step 1. Speed ramping. Here's a tutorial from Daniel Schiffer.
Speed ramping is a technique commonly used in videos to make footage gradually change speed. For example, if we were to make a regular clip break into slow motion for a brief moment, a regular slow motion effect would only slow down that one specific part of the footage at a constant rate. However, if a slow motion effect were created using a speed ramp, the motion in the clip would gradually slow down before gradually
Here's a
speeding
clip
back
from a
up.
video of Gawx. Step 2. Synchronizing music. Take this example from God's latest video.
So today I will customize a PlayStation 5 and then I will give it to my dad.
Alright, surprising that with a custom Xbox.
Okay, but the Xbox is ugly as so I'll surprise him with the PS5 instead.
The arrival of the PS5 blew the gaming world wide open.
The store ran out of the popular PlayStation 5 gaming system.
Why is PS5 and Xbox Series X still sold out? What is going on here?
Okay, this was pretty hard to find, but I finally got it. So now let's unbox it.
This was an example of music syncing. You can do this while editing by using audio waves as a reference.
Oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve.
Step 3. Epic transitions. Like this.
We had
Transitions such like these are not easy to pull off. I learned them by watching Daniel Petel's amazing tutorials.
loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive. So we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder.
Also learn transitions from watching Gawx, such this one. Step 4. Voiceover and sound effect. This was a voiceover. Voiceovering is the art of speaking in videos to make them more oof. Instance.com is a good site for amazing and popular sound effects.
And his name is...
Sometimes I myself record sound effects for my videos. Step 5. Reverse shots. This clip is from God's new video where he customized the PS5 for his dad. You can reverse a clip in your video editor. Step 6. Music choice. I mostly use music used by Gawx. He has made a Spotify playlist named Gawx Videos. He has also sung a song by himself named Feet in My Crocs. Epidemic Sound is a great source of royalty-free music. They even provide a 30-day free trial. Step 7. Interaction. I like Gawx videos cause he interact with us such as his school life or being Chef Gawx.
But first, hello, I'm Chef Gawx and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a sexy bowl of cereal. Okay, you will need a sexy round bowl, otherwise it won't work. Milk with a little bit of plain water and Cookie Crisp cereal. Then take the cereal bag out of the box. The first thing that you have to do is serving the milk into your bowl because you know, milk always goes first. Then put some cereal in it and add a little bit more of milk just to make it really delicious. Now your cereal is ready to be eaten. Thanks for paying attention, and my friend Gawx will keep explaining you.
He even sings sometimes such like this.
Now it's time for the fun part. I got my pen and I made a space combined to. But my singing is trash, so let's go to the computer and add some autotune to my voice.
Step 8. Planning and reshooting. Here's a before of my videos when I didn't used to plan. Or plan my videos and you can see the amazing results. Step 9. Instagram. I got to know about God's Spotify playlist from Instagram. Also, he's very humble and may even reply to your DM. I got to know a lot of things from Instagram, so follow him there. Thanks for watching. If this video got viral, I will have a small giveaway.